Mic check, mic check. Alright, guys, what's going on? It is July 20th, Sunday. Hope everyone's having a good day. Let's go ahead and go over these markets. It was a crazy week last week. Very, very strong new highs. So let's take a look and let's see what we can get for the SPY. So SPY, as you can see, it broke major highs, highest point, all-time highs. So 629.47. So it came down and made a higher low. Let's wait and see how it reacts to this level here. I have a feeling we could just make a push up for new highs, but also just be prepared because we could come back to these lows here. So when we break new highs, the market tends to retest and make new highs. So make the higher low, new higher highs. So that's what I'm expecting for SPY. I'm expecting more of a push up. So I'm hoping we can take advantage of that opportunity. Let's see here. On Friday, we got a big push down to these levels. So it looks like we held over VWAP, a little bit past post market. So let's wait and see. Hopefully we can get a push up and capitalize on it. But if not, it's all good. We don't want to force any trades. So let's see here. Let's go do the NASDAQ. So NASDAQ, same thing. We broke new highs. Let me see. I think the last market update we did was the 11th. So it was here. We came down. We held these highs here. We found support. Tapped a few times. So the market pushed back up. It made new highs here. Made the higher low. We got the wick down right here at the same level. We pushed back up and made new highs. So I am expecting the market to continue up. I'm not sure if it'll go as fast as this push up here, but let's just wait and see. We got our levels set out. We have the big guys push the market down here. Let's wait and see how the market tests off of these levels. 23,089. Let's see if we can also hold this VWAP. So looking forward to see what the market brings us this week. Alright guys, so let's go over Tesla. So we got a big gap up on the 14th here up to these resistance levels. We got 4 taps here as a total 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So we got to push up to these highs again, wicked up. Got to push down to these buyers, and then it pushed up, made new highs, broke this neckline here, and then we got a clear break and retest here, and then a nice push up in the pre-market here on the 18th. So I am expecting it to be a lot more bullish in the coming weeks, but just be careful. We did get a new higher high, so let's wait and see if we can get a break here. Let's see if we can get a push down here and then make new highs. So we will be looking for opportunities here at 323.56. So that we will be looking forward to this opportunity here. Alright guys, let's go over Nvidia here. We had a big move up this week. Well, first, when the market opened here on Monday, we got a gap down to these support levels, and we got a strong candle here on the 4-hour. Made a big push up, broke these resistance levels here, and then it retested. It wicked, made the higher low, and then another gap up, made new highs here at 172.76. We made another higher low, new highs. So we are expecting this to come down a little bit here to these levels to 169 and then make new highs from that level. So we are looking forward to that move. It is at all-time highs here, guys, at 174.56 or 53, excuse me. So we are expecting a down move here and then a push up. So we are expecting this, and then new highs, break and retest new highs. Okay, so we are expecting that for NVIDIA. By the way, NVDL is the same as NVDA. It's just an ETF for it, so feel free to take advantage of it. PLTR. We went over this last weekend. From this level here, we got a perfect push off of this trend line to the upside, and we broke this resistance level here. Broke. If you zoom in here, we broke, retested, pushed right off VWAP, retested again, and then we got higher highs, higher lows, retested here. It ranged for these couple days and then broke these highs again. Broke, retested, and made new highs again. So this is our high. We're gonna mark up this high, and we marked up this little support, and then we busted right through the support. So we're gonna wait and see, guys. We got these sellers pushing down here. We can go ahead and drop this little trend line. See how that reacts off of that level. But I am bullish on Palantir, but we just have to capitalize, in the right time. It's a little overextended, so let's wait and see if we can come down and retest these levels and see if we can get a good push up from there to make new highs. So we will be expecting some bullishness for the next coming weeks on Palantir. Amazon. We got a big push up here on Amazon on this day pre-market. Got a big push up, higher high, higher low, and pushed over VWAP. We topped out here at 226.68. We made the higher low over this break, and then we got new highs here, higher low, new highs over this level. And then we got sellers that came in and made the head and shoulders pattern here, pushed the market down, but held support really well here. And then we got 1, 2, 3 taps, bounced right back up. So let's wait and see. We could break these highs here and get a retest. We could break, retest, and get new highs here for Amazon. So I am expecting that in the next week or two for Amazon. So let's see if we can get a good push up. IBIT. We got big news on IBIT this week. It passed the Genius Act. So they are going to be backing Bitcoin here, guys. So we will be taking advantage of IBIT here, which is the Bitcoin ETF. So we got our highs drawn here at 70. We got our support here, 66.11 to 66.32. We got a big gap here. We got the gap fill. Closed here support. It was a faker. Pushed back up, higher lows. We made highs. We tried inching up, but failed. So I'm hoping we can get a push off of this support. So we don't want to do no guesswork here, guys. We got these levels set up here for a reason. And we wait to see what kind of reaction we get off of these levels. Okay. So let's wait and see how we react off of this level here at 67.62. We could get a break to the upside. We could see this retest back up to these highs. So let's wait and see what we can get on IBIT. But I am expecting these all-time highs to be broken here on IBIT. It's just a matter of time. We just waiting to see if we can hold the support level. We held here, and then we got the higher low, so we are expecting new highs to be here up at 70. So let's go over Robinhood, guys. That'll be our last one for the day. Robinhood, wow, we got a big push up. We held this support level here at 97.24, and it just broke through, made new all-time highs right over the 100 mark. Broke, came up, made the higher low, and kept pushing up all the way highs at 113.44. So I do have this trend line drawn up here, you guys. I am expecting to see a continuation off of this trend line, but if we don't, all good. We can catch it either way. We can get a break and retest off of this level. make new highs, or we can come back under these levels and then come back up. Okay, so we'll wait and see how we react off of this trend line here tomorrow when the market opens, and we'll give you guys an update next week on how that goes. So that'll be it. You guys have a good one.